Morning students, up till now we have the following knowledge about numbers such as whole numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, and now we are going to explain rational number. What is a rational number? First of all, a rational number is a number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q. Definition of rational number is rational number a number of the form P by Q, a number which can be expressed as P by Q, which can be as P by Q, where P and Q, where P and Q are integers, and Q is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. A number which can be written as P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. Is called a rational number. Examples of rational number. Examples: 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 0, minus 4 by 5, minus 3 by 2, 0 by 3. All are rational numbers because all numbers are in form of P by Q. परमेय संख्या जब संख्या को हम P by Q के रूप में लिखते हैं या व्यक्त करते हैं जहाँ पर P और Q पूर्णांक हो और Q 0 के बराबर नहीं हो, तो ऐसी संख्याओं को परमेय संख्या कहते हैं, रेशनल नंबर. ए नंबर which can be written as P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. Now equivalent rational number. If two rational numbers are equal, then the numbers is called a equivalent rational number. Equivalent समतुल्य परमेय संख्या. Equivalent rational number. Equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational number. Two rational numbers, equal rational numbers are called equal rational numbers. Equal rational numbers are called equivalent are called equivalent rational number. समान परिमेय संख्याओं को, जब दो परिमेय संख्याएं समान हो, बराबर हो, तो उसे हम इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर कहते हैं. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर, एग्जाम्पल्स -5/2, -5/2 and -10/4. These two rational numbers are equal, so these numbers are called equivalent rational numbers. If rational numbers are called equivalent rational numbers. Now, if the sign of both numerator and denominator of a rational number is same, then that rational number is called a positive rational number. Try to understand. If the sign of both numerator and denominator of a rational number is same, यदि किसी परिमेय संख्या के अंश और हर के चिन्ह समान हो, चाहे वो पॉजिटिव हो या दोनों निगेटिव हो, तो उस स्थिति में हम परिमेय संख्या को धनात्मक परिमेय संख्या कहते हैं. इफ द साइन ऑफ बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ ए रेशनल नंबर इज सेम, देन द रेशनल नंबर इज कॉल्ड ए पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, +2/3 -2/-3 are called positive rational number because the sign of numerators and denominators of a rational number is same, so that is called positive rational number. And one, if the sign of numerator and denominator of a rational number are opposite, if the sign of numerator and the denominator of a rational number are opposite, यदि किसी परिमेय संख्या के अंश और हर के चिन्ह विपरीत हो एक दूसरे को, यदि एक पॉजिटिव है तो दूसरा निगेटिव, और अपोजिट, देन द रेशनल नंबर इज कॉल्ड ए negative rational number. So there are two types of rational numbers, positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. Positive rational numbers, if the sign of both numerator and denominator of a rational number is same, then the rational number is called a positive rational number. And if the sign of numerator and denominator of a rational number are opposite, then that rational number is called a negative rational number. It is not possible that negative या numerator अथवा denominator. Rational number 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 भी एक परिमेय संख्या है. 0 is also a rational number. If you are asked why 0 is a rational number, so you can say that 0 is a rational number because 0 can be expressed in the form of p/q. हम शून्य को, 0 को p/q के रूप में व्यक्त कर सकते हैं. अतः 0 भी एक परिमेय संख्या है. एंड रेशनल नंबर 0 इज नाइदर पॉजिटिव नॉर नेगेटिव. 0 न तो धनात्मक और न ऋणात्मक हो सकता है. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ रेशनल numbers on the number line. Representation of representation of rational numbers on the number line. Representation of rational number on the number line. संख्या रेखा पर परमेय संख्याओं का निरूपण कैसे हम you have studied in previous class. We have seen that how can integers can be represented on the number line, and in this class, in this period, I am going to representation of rational number on the number line about you. To represent a rational number on the number line, first of all we draw a line. And take a point on this number line. First of all, we draw a number line. First of all, and we take a point O on this number line. O number line, which represents 0. On number line, in next step, on number line, positive rational numbers are represented by points on the right side of O. In the right side of O, and the negative rational numbers are represented on the left side of O. In the given figure, if you have to represent 1 by 2 on the 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2, if you have to represent 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 on the number line, first of all we draw a line, a straight line, and take a point on it, and take a point on this number line which represents 0. On number line, positive integers, we write positive integers on the right side of O, and write negative integers on the left side of O. In the given figure, and on any scale of representation, OA on the right side of, on any representation of OA, take a point A on the number line of any length, 1 unit. Suppose that OA is equal to 1 unit. And on the left side of O, take a point, another point B. The length of OB is equal to minus 1, because it is left of O, and on the right side of O we write plus 1. After that we divide OA and OB. We divide OA and OB. The midpoint of OA represents 1 by 2. Because OA distance is 1 unit, so the half of OA is equal to 1 by 2, and also we divide the OB, which is minus 1 unit, and so that point, this point, and this point D. D represents the place of minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. So if you have to represent rational number on the number line, this process is used. First of all, we draw a number line, and take a point on the number line from O, any representation, length of any representation, we take any length of 1 unit, and in left side of O we take negative numbers. Here 1 by 2, OA is taken 1 unit, so half of OA represents 1 by 2, and half of OB represents minus 1 by 2. So C and D are the position of the place of 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 on the number line. In this process, we can represent any rational number on the number line. So you have seen that how rational number can be represented on the number line, and you have learnt in previous class how to represent integers on the number line. And in one more example, write the following rational numbers in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers. Example of one number question. In example 1 of exercise 4.1, write the following rational numbers in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers. We write 1 in the denominator of the given number, here 9. If you have to represent 9 in the form of P by Q, 9 is equal to 9 by 1, minus 13 is equal to minus 13 by 1, 20 is equal to 20 by 1. Because a number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q. So Q must be any number, any positive number. In example 2, what are numerator and denominator in the following rational numbers? You know that minus 8, 6, 3, minus 5 all are numerator, and the denominators are 9, 5, minus 7, minus 6. Very easy question. Write the following rational number in numerals. You are given 1/3. 1/3 means 1/3. 1/3. 3/4. For 3/4 we can write 3 by 4, and 8/7. For 8/7 we write 8 by 7 only. Write the following rational number in words. If you have to explain it in words, then you can write 3 by 5. For 3 by 5 you can write 3/5, 0 for 0, 0, and 3 and 1/3. 3 पूर्णांक 1/3 को हम कह सकते हैं 3 and 1/3, 3 and 1/3 अथवा 3 whole 1/3. In example number 5, find the value of x in the following. Find the value of x in the following. 3x is equal to 1. या 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 3. In question example 5. Example Example 5. In example 5, find the value of x in the following. Find the value of x in the following. निम्नलिखित में x का मान ज्ञात करें. निम्नलिखित में x का मान ज्ञात करने के लिए हमको दिया हुआ है 3x इज इक्वल टू 1. We have to choose such number which multiplied by 3 getting 1. If we multiply 3 by 1 by 3, then the result is 1. So the value of x is equal to 1 by 3. 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1. 3 cancel. 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 3. We have to choose such number which multiplication, if we multiply by 3 getting 1. Let 1 by 3 is such number. If multiply 3 by 1 by 3 we get 1. So the value of x is equal to 1 by 3. Also, two number question, 2x is equal to minus 3. In 2 number question, 2x is equal to minus 3. If you multiply 2x by minus 3 by 2, 2x into 2 into minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 3. Therefore x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So, and 7x is equal to 0. Problems based on representation of rational number on number line. A rational number can be represented. Working rule is a rational number can be represented on number line. On number line, positive rational numbers are represented on the right side of O, 0, and the negative rational numbers are represented on the left side of O. Rational number 0 neither be positive nor negative. So this rule helps us to write a rational number. Example 6. From the following number line, find the rational numbers represented by points A, B, C and D. Example 6 number. Example 6. Example 6 of chapter. From the following number line, find the rational numbers represented by points A, B, C, D. प्रश्न के हिसाब से निम्नलिखित संख्या रेखा से निम्नलिखित बिंदुओं का फाइंड दी प्रमेय संख्या ज्ञात करें. हियर द फिगर इज गिवन. The figure is according to this figure, we write O, write O on the number line, and after that we take 2 points 1 and 2 on the number line and divide it into divided the given number line. Each unit is divided into 3 parts. 0 and 1 is divided into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Now we have to represent a rational number, and we write A, B, C, D. These points are given. So here we see that here we see that this length is divided into three parts. One is divided into three parts. So first part will be 1/3, and second part will be 2/3, and third part will be 1. Adding OA plus AB is equal to 1. So A represents, here A represents 1/3. A represents 1/3. Point B represents 2/3, and C represents 3/3, 4/3. C represents 4/3, and D represents 4/3, 5/3, represents 5/3. So the position of A, representation of A is 1/3, B 2/3, C 4/3, and 1 is 3/3, because we took distance O1 unit. We take 1 unit, and after that between 1 and 2 is divided into three parts. So C represents 3/4/3, and D represents 5/3. Here, from the following number line, find the rational number represented by the points A, B, C, D. निम्नलिखित संख्या रेखा के द्वारा ABC किन प्रमेय संख्याओं को प्रदर्शित करता है? तो A प्रदर्शित करता है 1/3, because 1 unit is divided into three parts. So each part, the length of each part will be 1/3, 2/3. B represents 2/3. C represents 4/3. D represents 5/3, and 2 6/3. So in this way you can solve the rest questions, rest examples of this exercise, and in next class I will start the problems of exercise 4.1. I will solve